Hi guys, what's up? Quick video update here. Ignore that sound. We'll get to that in another video. It's been a while. I've been busy. It's the middle of the summer. It's August. Well, end of the summer. August 29th. And I started a video about it, and I guess I'll insert some clips from that, but alright kids, so solid state ignition delete. We got test unit set up here. We got their new ABS center because there's a sensor that's gonna be the trigger for the ignition, because if you watch the update video, the previous one, then you'll know that I pucked up the sensor I had first, and of course it didn't work. So now we're about to try this out. So ABS sensor from like a 98 Ford F-150, GM HEI distributor module, and just a regular coil. And so we're gonna see if we can't make this fire. And we got the Sears as the battery supply. So yeah, let me see if I can get the camera. Get out of here, you stupid wasp. Get the camera in a decent position here. Okay, let's hook up power and we'll hope for the best. Okay, here we go. Let's choke it. All down. Yeah, all right, let's try it. That was the problem all along, was the stupid SSI. Yes! I am freaking tickled right now. The Bolens here runs and drives now, the 1220. We got the GM HEI distributor module and the Ford ABS sensor for the crank trigger and the coil, and you can just go choke. And she runs. And if you rev it up, it charges! Yay! I still gotta finish tidying up some of the wires and wire the headlights. I got, well, let's see if we can sneak around here. Can you see them? Oh yeah, we got some LED headlights in there. And the original headlight switch in this actually works. I tested it. So, yeah. So I'm gonna finish this up and take this to plow day next year instead of the 1050. And eventually I'd like to fix the mower deck up for it and putz with it for a year or two and then maybe sell it. Man, I really ought to put this inside. Still spins though. That's minty. So yeah, you notice I've been saying minty a lot. Mint! If you don't know who I'm talking about, go check out Zip Ties and Bias Plies. That fucker's got a lot more subscribers than me, and for good reason. Although if you don't like vulgarity, wouldn't recommend his channel. Funny as hell though, if you get a crude sense of humor. Anyway guys, just a quick video update on the Bolens there, and at some point in this video I would have stuck those clips in me actually fixing it, so whatever. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I appreciate it, and we'll catch you later. Take care.